I'm Riley and I'm from the south.
And I'm Sam Dutch Goblin from the south side. That was a long time ago, to be honest with you. When was it? 2015?
Yeah, 2015.
It was 2015.
I was inspired by Dutch Goblin.
I was inspired by music, to be honest with you. Seeing people like perform music, seeing choirs at churches, seeing live bands doing their own thing. That kind of was the only inspiration. I wouldn't say I had like one thing that inspired me. I'd say the whole, you know, max 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah, 45.
The whole piece.
The whole thing.
But sometimes it depends actually.
It depends on how we feel, to be honest with you. If it's turn up, it's less time.
It can be 15 minutes.
If it's like, you know, classical music, it's more than. Yeah.
I'd say Zuchi though.
Same as the producer we just talked about, Zuchi. It would be a thrill to feature that guy out because now I'd say he's the same exactly as us. You know?
He's the same creed as us.
Yeah. Creative diet, Mr. Lwazi Nonyukela. You gotta respect that nigga. That nigga's an inspiration, man.
Mr. Lou.
Yeah, well, we just did it just now. Took us, how many days did it take to make that tape?
Probably 4 days. 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, it took like 4 to 5 days to make like a proper tape that were inspired by a whole lot. Yeah. The boss, to be honest with you. He was the one who said we should try something new, something different. You know what I'm saying?
People don't know what the boss is.
Lwazi Nonyukela.
Alright.
Nothing but a variety of different genres and amazingness. Like it's a different sound, something like channel. It's great.
It's all about fire, baby.
Yeah. But I think it's number one. Yeah, the intro. The intro's legit, man.
Mine is, you know which one?
Which one is it? Yeah. The one with Birdman.
Yeah. See that?
Alright. Well, Rodeo's got an intoxication to it. It's all about now, thrills of everything, you know, the fun of whatever we're doing right now. Parking lot is all about like culture, you know, all about rhythmic elements, like how the lyricism is being put down, how the bars are being placed by both the homies, and how they have different varieties in each and every type of sound, even though they're hip-hop cats. It feels like a work in progress.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah.
It is.
You know, and your EP is the third EP. How does that feel?
Man, it feels amazing. Feels amazing. The fact that we contributed into the company and now we're focusing.
Moving forward.
Yeah. Well, both of the albums we did with the associates and this tape that we're gonna do now are different because our tape right now has like a bit of African feels. Like there's Afro tracks that we just did right now. We didn't do on the previous tapes. I feel like there's something different. Like we're trying to innovate everything that's new. You know what I'm saying?
Unlock all the doors, it is.
Yeah.
To take us far, it is.
To be honest with you, yeah, we're already going further ahead. So I'm expecting an award or something like that, man. I'm expecting bigger things. Like expanding is already been happening. We've been doing crazier things. Now I'm expecting to see rewards now. You know, accolades, man.
Locally, who's your competition production-wise?
Nobody.
No one.
Because I trust myself, dog. So far with what I've heard, everybody's doing the same thing. I'm just totally different.
Yeah. I'm my own competition, it is.
Yo, my name is Dutch Goblin and I'm chilling with I Am Riley.
You did rice.
No, and if you're looking for a sound of our own, that means you'll find me at Dutch Goblin on every social site, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, on YouTube as well. Got a page, and you can also find us on hiphop411.tv.